Recording things. Hi guys, thanks for tuning on. So this video presentation is regarding our MDA691 research projects and project design. Our project is basically your advanced data classification analysis tool, and all our group members, five are currently present in the meeting, which is me, Venkatanath Sharat Kumar, Mohan, Vishwavardhan, Varun, Raju. So I'm gonna explain the further details. So when it comes to our project details, you can see on the client, you can see on the screen the client name, company name, project supervisor. See our proposed project is a web-based document categorization system for firm name Jazz Private Limited. Our client who was this firm is Mr. Dr. Nasir Mohammed. Here, when it comes to the system will automatically classify documents using the art of NLP and machine learning techniques. The system will also maintain the data securely stored and encrypted. Hence, the sensitive information will be suitably kept on the system. See here, the system design is scalable, meaning will be easy to adapt it to further mobile applications also. Our group has done a great job trying hard to satisfy the client. Details concerning the project, supervisor, and group member will be attached. See, and here our design project overview here. Here, our project overview main focus will be on the development of web-based automatically categorization documents. See here, the proposed platform will apply NLP and machine learning methods in uh, effective categorization of documents. I mean, not only the text documents. When it comes to documents, we have different types of documents like PDF, Word, PNG, Excel, whatever. These are kinds of documents will be classified. So what it will be handled safely, as storing uses strict standards of data protection. And the web page will also have a dynamic data visualization features. Here, the data dynamic visualization features is nothing but displaying the pie charts and bar graphs, statistics, everything. So here, the client requirements. Our client, our client Adidas Private Limited has specified certain requirements regarding document classification, which are as follows, such as the system need to be very user friendly, as we created like that. It will be web enabled and should be easy to handle without any difficulty. Documents need to be and when it comes to the upload of document, it should support a bulk upload also. And the files which are uploaded should be kept in encrypted format so that it cannot be tampered in future. Finally, the system should be integrated with the Google Cloud system, and we are trying to scale this operations to the extent to the mobile applications also. And our team has done a great job in presenting this in a design approach. One of such approach is a which we are looking on this is a multi-layer approach, which encompasses the system architecture for different data processing interaction with the user. It contains the different layers such as front-end node, background, NLP, ML, uh, allowing secure data flow, which you can see on the flow. It allows space for scalability in case of future enhancements. Now I like to now request Mr. Vishwavardhan to continue further. Vishwa, please.
Thank you, Sharad. So as we can see the flowchart, which represents in detail the procedures that are actually involved in this document classification, which range from registration of the user for visualization of the results to document upload, classification, storage inside the database, and reporting it. This flowchart describes the mechanism of error handling and feedback loops so that the entire system will be guaranteed user-friendly without any glitches. Next, please. And the use case diagram shows that the interaction between various end users and the document classification system The actors identified are regular users and admin users. They share various major use cases, such as uploading the document, classifying, and viewing the results. Extended use case regarding admin functionality in the diagram are also included. Next, Sharat. As we can see here, so the UML class diagram for an object-oriented architecture based documentation classification system. It highlights major classes such as user document, classification, and visualization, and also defines their simple properties. Relationship between the classes are also explained. Along with association and inheritance, this detail represents gives the structure needed by database schema and code structures to make the autonomy of the system evident and functional. So the next will be taken care by Varun.
Varun, you are not audible.
Varun, you are on mute.
Thank you, Vishwa. Here I will be explaining about another design approaches. This is a multi-tier architecture system for a document classification tool with a presentation layer which would display the user interface, an application layer for business logic, a data access layer for database transactions, and an external service layer comprising API integrations. Security and logging will be cross-cutting concepts in this architecture for both scalability and modularity, ensuring data flows efficiently within the system. Next slide, please. It is a sequence diagram that represents the relationship involved in a document classification system from a time perspective. It details exchanges of messages within the classifying procedure between user UI, classification engine, database, and visualization engine. It counts operations which are involved in this diagram along with error handling mechanisms. This diagram will ensure clarity in the flow of operations of the system and the timing of different processes. Here I will be explaining the method which we used for MN692. The approach we decided for this project is agile development. It means that it is an iterative process in which we can integrate the feedback provided by the client at multiple stages of development. We have designed a work plan and around sprint-based cycles for work. This was also to identify and invest in core competencies, hence developing a cloud-based infrastructure using Google Cloud in processing and storing documents. This will ensure that our system will be able to handle future growth scalability. Next slides will be explained by Raj. Thank you.
Thank you, Varun. I am Raju. I just want to explain few slides in this project. This slide presented about demonstrate a mock-up for the search facilities pages for like web pages, web-based classification systems. This will allow users to search various document categories, including like business, health, and education sectors. Users can further refine the results by year, category, type of the document, such as journals and article. Next slide, please, for Shirath. Yeah. This will be a prototype, the profile of the user. It will be enable the users like Dan, like welcome Dan, like welcome Raju, welcome Varun, manages document, see, download. If the document has been read or not, it contains easy access to some of the key documents that the user is interested in, such as Python programming and cybersecurity files, so that it will protect the files. So here we can see the lot of important documents. And coming to this slide, document classification application. This is a prototype for the login and sign up page for the document classification application. In this design, there are a fields for entering username and password. For example, if you go anything like Facebook, we need to enter our username and password. So further, there is a remember me option. The links provided with the user enable signing up, seeking help for recovering the forgot option. So if you forgot any option, so we can click the forgot option. So we can just do a verification so that we can reset our password. So the next slide will be explained by the Mohan.
Hi, this is Mohan. I'm going to explain data visualization shoot. Above provided image is the data visualization shoot page, which allows the user to visualize document classification results, follow case situations, and review report sources. The interface will also support navigation through key actions, documents, models, and admin features. Next slide, please. And the limitations, one limitation with the project is that scaling Google Cloud services could be expensive, and that mainly depends on the growth of the system. Also, the setup of secure document storage and a classification engine can initially be cumbersome. We also expect the customization of categories for document classification to require a large amount of training data. This finally leads to a major contribution in the end, a robust, scalable document classification solution with the added flexibility of integration with Google Cloud. The project will meet the core requirements of the client while leaving room for growth, especially where mobile alert from development is concerned. Thank you.
Thank you all.
Thank you.